Friends and my dear students, first of all, I welcome all of you in the Sanjay Mahavidyalaya Sapulis online video YouTube class. So, for sixth semester BSc third year, there are two papers. First is the molecular biology and the industrial microbiology. Myself, Professor Munde Sandeep, Head and Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology. Today we'll see the syllabus of these two papers, molecular biology and industrial microbiology. These two papers are very important papers as far as concerns after BSc for entrance of MSc as well as for industrial purpose, because in the industries industrial microbiology paper is very important. So friends, we'll see the syllabus of paper number 14, molecular biology. There are 4 units. First is the gene expressions. It is the under that we'll see the genetic code, characteristic of genetic code. Under that triplet code, comma, fix degenerate start and stop signals and Obel hypothesis. After that, we'll see the structure of RNA polymerase, that is the RNAP, process of transcriptions, structure of ribosomes, process of translations, and bacterial transcription and translational cycles, that we'll see in the first unit. Unit second is the mutagenesis and DNA repairs. This is very important. Nowadays, what happens in the coronavirus, under the coronavirus COVID-19 disease, what happens due to the mutations? Due to the mutation of what happens, one strain of coronavirus changes to another strains. This is only due to the mutation of DNA and RNA, and that unit we will see in the unit number second, mutagenesis and DNA repair. The concept of mutation, types of mutations, silent mutations, misses, base pair mutations, substitutions or switches, and frame shift mutations, induced spontaneous mutation. These are the different types. After that, we'll see the mechanism of spontaneous mutation, mispairing of bases due to tautomerisms, deaminations, depurinations, and damage due to the oxidative metabolisms. After that, we'll see mechanism of induced mutation, physical and chemical mutagen agents repair DNA by photoactivation, nucleotide excision repairs, base excision repair, mismatch excision repairs. In the unit 3, we'll see the regulations of gene expressions in prokaryotes, gene regulations at transcriptionals and repressor activator, signal factor and attenuations, gene regulations translation level, the lag operon of E. coli and the trap operon E. coli. And last unit of this paper is the molecular techniques and applications. Introductions, definition and purpose of cloning, tools for molecular cloning, enzymes, restriction endonuclease, DNA ligase, alkaline phosphatase, DNA modifying enzymes, and vector, plasmid, PBR322, bacteriophage, phage lambda, and cosmid. And third, the methods of gene transfer, that is the transformation, electroporations, liposomes, fusions, and transductions. And under that we'll see the screening of strategies in insertionals, inactivations, immunochemicals methods, and colony hybridizations, and applications of expression of human insulin gene in Escherichia coli. So this is all about the paper number 14, molecular biology. And the next paper for 6th semester is the industrial microbiology paper number 15. Unit first, the definition and scope of industrial microbiology. Introductions, definition, scope of development and industrial microbiology, roles of microbiologists in industrial microbiology. Apart from that, we'll see the bioreactor, the definitions, design and characteristics, and working of axial equipments. After that, we'll see the types of fermenters, that is the laboratory fermenters, pilot phase, pilot plant fermenters. After that, industrial fermenters, then hottest sphere fermenters, then batch fermenter, continuous fermenter, tubular, feed batch, and fluidized interactor for fermentation in brief. And last point of the first unit is the computer application in fermentation technology. Unit 2, microbial in industrial microbiology, introduction, screening techniques, primary and secondary, then strain improvement, then stock culture and its maintenance. After that, apart from that, we will see the cereal subculture overlaying with mineral hyper, then lyophilization, liquid nitrogen, soils stock. These are the culture process. Inoculum development, fermentation media, substances used as materials, formulations of fermentation media and its sterilizations, batch and continuous. In the unit second, downstream processing, we'll see the different downstream processing like extractions of fermentation product, solid, insoluble, then remove filtration, centrifugation, coagulation, flocculations, and foam fractionations. These are the different methods they are used. After that, they will see the primary isolation of product, that cell disruptions and liquid extraction and exchange absorptions and precipitations. And last point of the unit third, that is the purification, that is chromatography, carbon decolorizations, crystallizations, and then after that we'll see the product isolations, that is the crystalline processing, drying, packaging, and last unit fourth, typical fermentation production strain, fermentation media, fermentation conditions and methods, pathway involved, synthesis of the product recovery operation and uses of following beverages, wine production, organic acid, citric acid, antibiotic like penicillin, biofertilizer like legume inoculations, bioinsecticides, thuricide, then amino acids like glutamic acid, enzymes like fungal amylase. All these are the parts of unit 4th. So friends, this is the syllabus of these two papers, and we'll see details and each and every points of the concerns topic in the next lectures. So till then, bye.